Benvinguts al segon 105 Confidencial amb Estrella Damm a l'antiga fàbrica. Avui, el protagonista, Milow, aquell de EO. No, que és el que canta Milow.
Wish you were a little slower, not just slow, but paralyzed. That I could plug you into a socket, so you could never run away.
No et falta res, eh? Tot bé, tot correcte, eh?
Tot correcte, tot superbé.
Quantes creus així que podran caure aquesta nit? Home, de birres dic, eh?
Sí, ja.
It would be only you and me, you and me.
La gent sembla que ja està aquí, així que anem a veure en Milow, a veure si ens atén als camerins, a veure com està, a veure si està nerviós. Milow? Who would like to version your songs?
I have a dream. I think 50 Cent should cover one of my songs. You know, I think that would be a really good idea if he now covers my song. I'll call him.
Is your life different now, for example, that a few years before?
Yeah, it's a little bit different. It's a lot busier now. I travel all the time, so a lot more people have discovered my concerts and my albums. So, but in a way, I still make music. You know, I still try to every concert to do the best I can, to write music alone on my guitar. So a lot of things haven't changed at all. So I think that's a good thing.
What do you prefer? Waffle, Belgian beer, French fries?
Belgian beer with French fries. No one eats waffles in Belgium.
Yeah.
No, it's a cliché, but in Belgium we don't eat waffles. It's only the rest of the world who eats our waffles.
Well, my mother was living there 15 years.
And she ate waffles.
One time.
One time, see?
The smoke's at the club, all lazy spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey.
Fins aquí el segon 105 Confidencial amb Estrella Damm. Ens veiem al següent. Arri!
I need you right in front.